Hello and welcome back to Box Gaming. This is more turning into box tutorials. So, you want to make a Roblox account but don't know how to. That's why I'm here today and you're here watching. So, you want to put your birthday. I do not recommend putting your real birthday, but you can do whatever you want. This is not my real birthday. Next, you want a username. So, like that. Then, you're going to want a password. So, think of something. Who would make a 200 character password? So I'm going to do make sure I did that right. Alright, and then select your gender. If you don't have one, you don't have to select it. Hit sign up. And then give it a moment. And now, you have a Roblox account. Good job, you just created a Roblox account. Subscribe to me for more tutorials, and consider leaving a like. Consider leaving a like to this channel. I am a new YouTuber, so the more support I can get, the more I'll try and grow my channel. Thank you for coming to Box Gaming. Goodbye.